Yeah, what's up, Michael? Yeah, 2 more weeks? You said that almost a month ago, and you need an additional 2 weeks? No. Hold on. Hold on. I got somebody on the other line. Hi, honey. How's it going? Yeah. Yeah, I'll be back by 7 p.m. Okay? I got held up at work. Yeah. Yeah. Hold on a line. Hold on the line, honey. Yeah, I won't be late. I promise. Michael, if you make a promise and you don't keep it, I'm the one who's facing the fire from the client, man. Yeah, you can't do this to me. Okay? Yeah, excuses. That's all you do. Excuses. Enough excuses, man. Hi, it's not an excuse, honey. It's an office work. I need to finish the work and then only I can come back. Yes, I will be there. Yeah, yeah. I know. I forgot. I'm sorry. This time I will be more responsible, okay? You need to be more responsible, Michael. I can't tolerate this nonsense anymore. Right? Yeah. You're right. Yeah. Yeah. Friday, 7 p.m. That's the deadline. Okay? Write it down. Yeah. So 7 p.m. on Friday, you're going to deliver it to the client. 2 p.m. on Wednesday, you're going to write it down, write the report, and send it internally. Okay? Yeah. Hold on. Yeah. Yeah. Okay, honey. Yeah. Onions, tomatoes, mushrooms. Yeah. All right. I'll write it down. Yeah. Okay. All right. All right. I have written it down. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Okay, honey. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Hold on a second, honey. Yeah. So, yeah. Where do you want to get this from? From Main Street? What do you think? I don't give a damn what you think, man. Yeah, I don't care. Just get the additional support and get the project done on time. Okay? Yeah, and don't mess this up. Yeah, I won't mess this up, honey. It's 4 things to remember. I'll see you at 7 p.m. Okay? Bye, honey.